Hello, my name is Danielle Smith, and I am going to be doing a brief introduction of what our group read. And we actually read the Zahir, one of the best books ever. It is by Paulo Coelho. And the Zahir is a book about a man who has a wife, and his wife disappeared, and he has no idea where his wife went. He does not know if she got kidnapped, if she was murdered. He just does not know where she is. So pretty much the whole book, he is going on a big journey trying to find his wife. But throughout that journey, he actually ends up finding himself. So we are going to be talking more about that in part 2. I'm going to first talk about what is a zahir. Okay, so according to the writer George Louis Borges, the idea of the zahir comes from the Islamic tradition and probably arose in the 18th century. The Arabic zahir means visible, present, and capable of going unnoticed. It can refer to an object or a person, and that object or person gradually takes over every thought until we are unable to think of anything else. This could be considered a state of holiness or a state of madness. So that is what a zahir means, and I wanted to read that to you guys just because the zahir can mean anything if you guys don't really know what it means. So that is the definition of a zahir. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the author, okay, which is Paulo Coelho. And I'm going to just tell you guys some interesting facts about him. So let's start off with this. His parents admitted Paulo to a mental hospital at the age of only 16. So he had a lot of mental issues at a very young age. Paulo dropped out of law school to live a hippie life, and he also began using a lot of drugs. So during that time, obviously, there was a lot of drugs being used. So he was definitely one of those people who used them. But on a brighter note, he is in the Guinness World Record, the world record of most translating book by a living author. So that is some great fun facts about the author of the Zahir. Again, written by Paulo Coelho. And we are going to talk more about the quotes in part 2 of this video. We're going to talk more about the significance of the quotes and what it is to love others, what it is to love yourself, what is love. We're going to also talk about the ending of the story, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so stay tuned.